Use the dedicated editor to view the detected and converted objects. Go through the various object types. The building envelopes are organized according to the material layers. Windows and doors are grouped and organized according to the models. The building envelope objects are assigned with a default material layer. Doors and windows with a generic model. Select a grouping method and view the correlated objects in red. View entities assigned with a material layer in green. In yellow, view objects that need to be assigned with a material layer.